Hello, good morning everyone. Student class 6 subject computer. Open the book. Lesson number 6. Page number आपके 38. More logo commands. In the previous class we have learned all the commands that were taught. Let us now learn more command to draw with the turtle in logo. Hide turtle command. The hide turtle command is used to hide the turtle. The short form of hide to turtle is ht. This command is used when you do not want to see the turtle along with the draw figure at the end of the all command. When the drawing is over, you can give this command ht enter. For example, the following command: first draw a diagram as a triangle. fd 100 enter. rt 90 enter. fd 100 enter. Home enter to make the figure clear and neater. Execute ht command to hide the turtle. fd 100 enter. ht enter. The turtle is hidden and your drawing appears neat. Show turtle command to show turtle command makes the turtle reappear on the screen. If it is hidden when the turtle reappears on the screen, you can note the current position of the turtle, which help you in drawing. The short form of show turtle is st. The syntax for giving this command is st enter. Pan up command. One of the interesting logo command is pan up. Whenever you give a command to move the turtle on the screen without drawing a line, the pan up command can do is with pan up command you can move the turtle without making a line on the screen. The short form of pan up is pu. The syntax of giving this command is pan up or pu enter. Pan down command. Now after giving pan up command, if you want to move turtle by drawing a line, what will you do? You will use pan down command. This command instruct the turtle to put down the pen and draw. The short form for pen down is pd. Take care and thank you.